A crane with a little mohawk?
Yeah, look at it. It's actually called a crown crane.
Crown crane.
Mohawk.
Mohawk, yeah. Oh, look at all the beautiful colors
It is
in
the
them.
national bird of Uganda.
Really? It's beautiful. What an interesting looking bird.
They're the only crane species that can roost in trees.
Oh, well that's interesting.
That is.
Look at that. Lift up his wing, then clean up and groom. Get ready for some more guests, huh? Wow. Well, isn't that something? Very different, isn't he? You've seen a bird with a hat on. Came with his own little hat, so he don't sunburn his head. Isn't he cute? All right. Very interesting. All right, be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye now.